back to my channel. I feel like I have not seen you guys in forever, but I am back, y'all, and I have a very fun video for y'all because I'm gonna be recreating a beautiful hairstyle. I'm gonna be turning this into all bento knots, and it's a cute hairstyle I saw on YouTube while I was scrolling, so I'm gonna try to recreate it, but bento knot style with faux locks. So this should be very interesting. And if you're new here, my name is Emmy, and if you like what you see, join the family and subscribe right now. I'm waiting for you. Did you subscribe? All right, thank you. Let's get right into the video. All right, my love, so now that I have separated the hair, so I'm gonna start in the back. All right, so I'm gonna start with, how many is this? Four strands of hair. I'm gonna twirl it, and then I am going to roll it and wrap it around each other. When I arrive in the front, you guys will see what I'm doing, but that's pretty much what you do.
All right, so as you guys can see, I'm rolling the hair. I'm rolling and rolling and rolling, and you just roll until your arm gets tired, and then you're just gonna take a tiny bit and just roll it around each other. I don't know how to explain this, y'all, but you just roll and roll. I mean, look at that. You don't even need to pin it down because you can just put the hair and wrap it at the ends until it's secured, and then you're good to go. You're Gucci. And now look at me. I'm checking it out to see if it's set to go. And y'all, you just continue doing that throughout the entire hair. Again, look at that. I'm not even pinning it down or anything. I'm just rolling it all the way in the bottom, making sure it's secured, and the last bit, just wrap it underneath, and boom, look at that. Look at that magic. What? All right. But as y'all can see, I wasn't sure of this. I'm like, do I like it? Do I not? I don't know. But again, you see how I roll it? Do you see that? Just watch the video. If you want to recreate this hairstyle, just watch it and do it with me, because I don't know how to explain this to y'all. But look at that. Wow. All right, so I am finishing off, and you see I hold like the top of the hair and then roll the rest in the bottom. Like, that's the best method for you guys to use. So you just do that and roll, and keep rolling until you're done.
Not done yet, but question of the day for today: would you rather marry someone who is a 10 but has a horrible personality, or marry someone who is a 6 but they have a great, amazing personality? Comment down below.
All right, y'all, so we're speeding this up. Look at this. Oh, I am finally done. And y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this hairstyle actually hurts, so I would not recommend you to wear it for a long period of time. A few hours is okay, but the whole day it is not okay, because like it will give you a headache because of how tightly they are rolled up. But yeah, so I would not recommend you wearing that for an entire 24 hours. But it's cute though. It's cute. But yeah.
I don't know if I like it yet. Okay, I think it's gonna take a little more than a few minutes for me to like it. I am gonna do my edges, and I'm gonna show you two ways that I've seen people wear it, and let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. Okay, so the first one is having them down like this and then put beads in them, and that's what I'm gonna do. And the second one I will show you soon.
All right, to all my OG subscribers, you guys know that I have a method that I always teach y'all. So as you can see right now, I am tying the hair because I'm pinning it down because I want it to be shorter, so I'm pinning it so it could shorten the length. But I'm gonna be showing you guys a new method, which is how I'm going to put the beads in this side because it is thicker now. So I will be showing y'all how, you know, a different way to add beads in your hair. My OGs knows that there's a method that I teach them, and now this is the second method that you guys can do. So as you can see, you're just gonna take the bead, take the hairpin, like try to, like, how do I say this, like smash it into the bead, like keep poking it until it appears in the other side. That's the best way I can tell you. And then boom, look at that.
Like I added this, made it look like this so that it can come together. And then the other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my edges, and then I'm gonna add like a really bold lipstick to really bring out the look more. I could have done a full face, but I don't feel like it. So yes, edge control, it smells so amazing. I love this edge control. After I do this look, I am going to show my dad because listen, y'all, his reactions be the best. So I'm gonna get his reaction for y'all so you guys can see what he's gonna say about this look. Oh, I think it's coming. Papa! Papi! Ouais, même. Non. All right, what do you think of my hair?
Yo, look at my dad. My dad is so tired of me, y'all. He's so tired of me.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't it nice?
He's probably like, yo, what did she do to her hair?
Nice.
Yeah, it's my new look.
Oh my goodness. Every week you have a new look.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I told them that I was gonna get your reaction for them, so. Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, he's gonna do my makeup soon, so get ready for that video.
Okay.
See you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you.
Edges, as you guys can see, and I added a bold lipstick to really bring out the look out more. What do you guys think? Let me know that in the comments. So that is one way to wear it. So you would wear it like this with these two little thingies, and then I'm gonna show you guys another way that I've seen people wear it, and you guys can tell me which is your favorite. This is the other way that I've seen people wear this look. I think the 2 strings down was my favorite. What do you guys think of this one? I don't know, I like the other one more, but let me know what you guys think that in the comments. Or you guys can actually wear it like this. I've actually worn it outside like this, so this is actually one of my favorite ways to style it. Look at this. Wow, beautiful. And I will put in some clips of when I've actually worn it like this. But this is the 3rd way that you guys, like, you know, a bonus way that you guys can style this. Thank you so much, loves, for watching this crazy video today. And if you guys want more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please, 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 I'm begging you. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.